Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a video where I'm talking about my winter skincare current favorites. And I feel like right now, you guys, is a really good time to talk about that just because, number one, well, at least where I live, it is cold and it's just only going to get colder. Right now, it's January 2021, not 2020, you guys, 2021, finally. And I feel like at least where I live, it gets really cold in the month of February. So with that said, I feel like this is a great video to kind of like prepare us to, sorry for the interruptions, to prepare us to get ready for those winter cold months. And on top of that, even if you don't live in an area where it gets really cold, just these skincare items I'm about to talk to you guys about, they're just really good, and they're basically just, you might as well just call them like an everyday skincare, if you will. But yeah, anyway, let's just jump into it and get started. Before I begin, you guys, go ahead and subscribe down below. Click on that red button and also click on that notification bell. That way when I do upload, which normally I upload Mondays and Wednesdays, I try to mix it up a little bit. Well, let me just backtrack. Normally I upload Mondays and Wednesdays, but I feel like the algorithm in YouTube, it kind of like messes up or skews things if you have like a very consistent upload schedule, which I don't want. You know, I want my videos to be viewed by everyone. And yeah, anyways, normally I upload Mondays and Wednesdays, but this time I might, you know, throw in some other videos here and there, not just only on those 2 days. So yeah, subscribe, join the Kwak fam, and click on the notification bell. And if you would like to follow me on my other social media platforms, you can do so. All those are linked down below. And let's just jump right into it, you guys. Okay, so first skincare item, something so simple and yet so effective. You guys, here is my number one skincare item, you guys. Yes, this right here. Now you can buy this brand. This is from Target. It's their Up and Up brand. It's just petroleum jelly, or you can just buy like good old Vaseline. But pretty much this is a great item to have. Number one, affordability. I mean, look at how big and massive this tub is, and it's not expensive at all, you guys. The price for this is wallet friendly. Your bank account will thank you, all right? And because it's so big and so massive, it lasts a long time, all right? Let me open it up to show you guys what it looks like. I'm sure pretty much all of us know what Vaseline / petroleum jelly looks like, but just in case that is what it looks like, I'm hoping it is in focus. All right, so you guys, I use this not only to really moisturize dry parts of my skin, for example, my hands, my feet, my lips, like anywhere you can think of on your body, use it. The only one place I don't really use it at is around my eyes, just because the consistency is like super thick. And just me personally, even though I have like really, and I mean really with a capital R, dry skin, just around my eyes, I just don't want to put it there. That's just my personal choice. But hey, if you think this is going to work around your eyes, do you, okay? This is my first winter skincare must, something you have to have, especially right now, you guys. 2021 is calling your name, and this is part of that 2021 skincare must-have item, you guys. This is it. So my next 3 items, they all go hand in hand because they all come from the same company. And so I will show them to you one at a time, but just note that the next 3 are from the same company. So the first one is the Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion, body and face, all skin type. This is perfect for those who have dry skin. And honestly, it does say all skin type, and while I do not have all skin type, my skin is dry, I believe it though. The texture in this Cetaphil moisturizer is number one. It's not like too light where it becomes like watery. Not that that's a bad thing, but just letting you know it's not that type of consistency. And it's not like super heavy thick either, right? It's like a nice good middle ground where it really works, I guess, for all skin types. All I can do is talk about my own skin type, and I have really dry skin. I use it on my face and a lot of the times even all over my body, and I had no bad reactions to it. My skin loves it, it absorbs it in, and it's not those lotions where once you put it on immediately, I mean, yes, okay, let me backtrack a little bit. Once you put it on, you do feel the effect of the lotion working, of what it should be doing. But on top of that, it keeps your skin moisturized even after the lotion has gone away. You get what I'm saying? Like some lotions out there, initially it feels really nice, but once that lotion is gone off your skin, you're back at square one. This does not leave you that way. It leaves your skin feeling nice and moisturized, like even after the lotion goes away. You get what I'm saying? So amazing, amazing. And following up this is another lotion that I got. Like I said earlier, it is another Cetaphil brand. This is their moisturizing cream. Now, this one is for those who have very dry, sensitive skin. And that right there is like my skin in a tea, all right? My skin is very dry and sensitive, all right? Now, very dry, yes. Sensitive is, would I say very sensitive about my skin? Probably not very sensitive, but it is a pretty sensitive skin. So this, you guys, this is amazing. It comes in a tub, and this one is more of a thicker cream. Just to show you guys what it looks like. That is what it looks like. You probably can't tell, it's just a white color lotion cream type. And even though it is a thicker cream, and by thicker, I mean compared to this one right here is a lot thicker. So even though it is a lot thicker, when I feel it, it's not like, you know, where some lotions, it's thick and hard, if that makes sense, right? You have to, like some lotions, you have to like really work it in to make the lotion activate, if you will. Does that make sense, right? But whereas this is a nice, soft, buttery, thick cream. That's a nice word. I just literally just came up with that on top of my head. That is perfect way to describe this. A soft, buttery, thick cream. That is what, perfect, you guys. So this is perfect for those who have dry skin and sensitive skin. I recommend it. It comes in a tub, like I said, and I mean, you guys, it's amazing. It is amazing. All right. My last and final in this category of the Cetaphil collection is my Cetaphil Daily Moisturizer, their SPF, you guys. You guys know how much I love, and I feel like it's just very important to have SPF every day, even during the winter, you guys. So here's my SPF. I put it on every day, and it's for all skin types. It has an SPF of 15. It is also on top of that a daily facial moisturizer. It's just, you guys, this is perfect. So when it comes to Cetaphil, number one, I'm not sponsored. Honestly, telling you my true and honest opinion and just giving you guys my thoughts. Just, you know, figured why not. But Cetaphil, please sponsor me because, yeah, I love you guys. Anyway, so that is my little Cetaphil collection. Let's move on to my other skincare favorites. So my next skincare is not so much of a lotion, but more of a facial cleanser, and that's the CeraVe Facial Cleanser. This one in particular is for the normal to dry skin, and like I said, because I have dry skin, obviously this is what I picked up. You guys, this is a facial cleanser where it helps keep your skin just at the perfect balance, if you will. You get what I'm saying? It's just, first of all, I will say one thing, first of all, it's not a makeup remover. So if you're using this to remove your makeup, it's not gonna work. I've tried it. I mean, yeah, it takes off some of your makeup, but does it take off all your makeup completely? No, it does not, all right? So if you're trying to use this as a makeup cleanser, makeup remover, it's not gonna happen, all right, you guys? But as a overall facial cleanser, just to give yourself a nice like facial cleanser, a face wash, if you will, it does the job. It leaves your skin feeling fresh, feeling clean, just you feel balanced. That's the perfect way to describe it, you guys. You just feel really balanced. And well, let me just tell you what it says. It's a hydrating facial cleanser for normal to dry skin. Cleanses, yes it does. Hydrates, yes it does. And it helps restore the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. You guys, number 1, you can get this at your drugstore, like, I don't know, like Rite Aid or Target or Walmart, whatever you want to go to. And number 2, you can also purchase this on good old Amazon, you guys. And I believe this is Hiram approved. I'm pretty sure it is. Comment down below if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure this product right here is a Hiram approved. So yeah, I love it, you guys. My skin loves it, so which is why I am sharing it with you. And yeah, this is my next winter must-have skincare collection, yada yada yada. All right, next item. My next 2 items are another little set of items that kind of go hand in hand, and so I'm just gonna talk about them in, like, you know, one after the other. My first one is the Laneige Sleeping Care Lip Mask. You guys, I've talked about this time and time and time again, you guys, and it's about time again that I talk about it again. A lot of times and again. I hope that made all sense. But anyway, this is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Number 1, it is truly a nice sleeping mask. I use it at night. You can also use it during the day as like a little lip gloss. It works perfectly. But the way I use it is I'll take a little scoop of it. It comes with like a little spoon, which I don't have with me right now. But it does come with a little scooper, a little spoon, a spatula, if you will. And what I do is just scoop it out. And I like to put a nice thick layer of this product right on my lips when I go to sleep. That way when I wake up, my lips are juicy, plumped, moisturized, ready to take on the day. That's what it does, you guys. So that's just the way I use it. It is pretty much empty. So, I mean, first of all, this is proof that I do really use my products. But I'm thinking about picking up a different, what do they call them? Like different flavors? I don't know. This one is in the... what flavor is this? Can't remember. But they have like a blue color one, a green color one. I believe they have a purple color one. So thinking about picking up one of those because since I tried this already. So yeah, this is amazing, you guys. It really helps moisturize my lips. It just makes me feel really good inside. And I love it, you guys. The next one that is by the same company, Laneige, is their Lip Glowy Balm. I guess it's pretty much the same thing. I'm going to safely assume this thing is also this same like flavor. And this one is the Berry Fruit Rouge. So that is my next, what is it called? The next winter skincare item. So like I said, it's the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in Berry Fruit Rouge. And you guys, this is just a perfect item to kind of throw in your little purse, throw in your pocket, and especially right now when your lips are covered with the mask. I feel like even though you're not exposing your lower half of your face to the world, you still want to take care of that. You still want to make sure your lips are nice and moisturized, your lips are nice and, you know, I don't know about you, I do not like chapped lips. I do not like dry lips. When I'm talking and when I'm moving my mouth, when I'm eating, anything. If my lips are chapped and dry and cracked, I mean, they hurt. And sometimes it can get to a point where they bleed and no, not my thing, not my cup of tea. So this does help with that. And so does this, all right? This is just a little added-on favorite, an added-on winter skincare must collection, just because it's small, it's cute, and I feel like it's just an easy way to put it in your pocket and have that extra little skincare item with you at all times, I guess, right? So yeah. So last but not least is my last winter skincare must item. And this time it's not a lotion, it's not a facial cleanser, it is my last item, and this is my ice roller. Yes, you guys, my ice roller. This is one of my favorite skincare items, and you guys, once you purchase this, it doesn't go away. You can use it over and over and over and over again, you guys. You can buy this off of Amazon. I did see a lot of this even in the drugstores, and on top of that, even like, I don't know, like Walmart or Target, they all have some type of this version at their stores or even on Amazon. You guys, even like places like Five Below. Do you guys have Five Below where you live? I'm not really sure, but places like that, they all carry something like this or something similar to this product. This is an ice roller. Now, this little rolling section is not ice. It's like a, I don't know, I guess plastic. I'm not quite sure what exactly the material is made of, but I will tell you how I use it. So what I like to do is keep this in my freezer or even in your refrigerator to keep it nice and cold, which is like, if you have like those mini refrigerators up in your little beauty room, you guys, throw this in there because you want this to be nice and cold. And on days where you need a nice little face massage, this feels amazing, you guys. You guys, first of all, there's no ice being melted on your skin. Second of all, the coldness, it just really, at least for me, it wakes my skin up. It gives me a nice little refreshing boost. And at the same time, it's giving myself a little facial massage. All these added benefits all into one from a simple tool like this. How can you not love it, you guys? And like I said, right now is the perfect time to start taking care of your skin. If anything, I feel like if there's like 3 items that I feel like you should really get in here, no, you guys, scratch that. Just all these items are just a must-have item, including this one. It really does help your skin feel nice and good. And I mean, I like it, you guys. I love it, which is why I'm talking about it. And that is pretty much it. We're gonna wrap things up, you guys. That's it for my, what should I call this? My 2021 winter skincare must-have. Get ready for winter. Skincare items that your skin craves. Honestly, not too sure what I'm going to title this video, but yeah, all these items are just my personal favorite winter skincare items as of right now. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a like down below. If you have any other video suggestions that you want me to do, or even products that you want me to talk about, go ahead and comment down below and let me know. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, all that good stuff. If you need to find me, links are down below. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, concerns, or anything you want to say, speak your mind down below and subscribe, like, and follow. You know. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much it. Okay, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.